This video will show you how to install your new outdoor camera using step-by-step instructions. You'll need to select a location to mount your outdoor camera. There are 3 important considerations: Wi-Fi strength, cable length, and camera angle. For Wi-Fi strength, your camera requires a minimum of 2.5 megabits per second upload speed, but a stronger signal will create a more reliable and higher quality video feed. To test your Wi-Fi speed, visit telus.com/speedtest. If you're unable to find a location with adequate Wi-Fi coverage, consider purchasing a TELUS Boost Wi-Fi. Before you mount the camera to the wall, you'll first need to connect it to your Wi-Fi network and add it to your TELUS SmartHome account. To do this, start by plugging in the camera. The status LED light will begin flashing red for a few moments. This should be done near the mounting location. If the LED starts flashing white, move to the next step. If it turns solid red, hold the WPS button on the back of the camera as shown until the status LED button flashes white. Then release it. This means that the camera is ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Next, connect the camera to your TELUS SmartHome app. Log in to your TELUS SmartHome app. Click on the menu button on the top left corner. Select Add Device. Choose Cameras. Choose the camera model you're installing. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your camera setup. The firmware update may take several minutes. For cable length, before mounting, you'll need to plot a route and run the cable to a power outlet. In some cases, you may want to drill through a wall or run the cable along siding. If needed, a DC extension cable could be purchased. The third factor is camera angle. You'll want to aim the camera with a good view. You can view the live feed of a connected camera in your SmartHome app. For your video analytics to work best, the camera should be 8 to 15 feet above the ground. To mount the outdoor camera, you'll need to drill holes into the wall. Use the longer screws that were included with the camera if you're drilling into wood, and we recommend using the anchors for stucco or brick walls. You can then mount the camera body into the wall using the included screws. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your outdoor camera. If you need help with any part of this installation, visit telus.com/smarthomeguides.